About a week ago, I made a video on the new MX4, and at that time, I thought this upgrade was pretty nice. But after spending a week with it, I changed my mind, and I'm going back to the MX3S. Now, I am a tech channel, so sometimes I do like the latest and greatest, but this time, I actually don't. Just in case you missed it, I already compared the MX3 to the MX3S and also the MX3, so make sure you watch that. But at that time, I felt like the MX4 was nice, but at the same time, I was still on the fence. And honestly, for one big reason. Now that one big reason, believe it or not, is actually the grip. In the last video, I was kind of praising the fact that they got rid of the rubbery feel because it got dirty a lot much faster. But after spending a week, I realized we need the rubber back. So without that grip, literally, here it is. So I'm just gonna pick it up and look, it's slipping out. I'm not doing this intentionally. It's already falling out. So here we go. I'm gonna pick it up again, just on the side, and there it is. It's falling out. And then going back with the MX3S, here it is, literally in the same place. Still there. I'm gonna do it again. Still there, not falling whatsoever. And so that grip actually made a huge difference. After spending many hours with the MX4, I was struggling to always keep it in my hand, and I felt like I had to keep picking it up just so it could function the way I wanted to. But with the MX3S, when I went back to it, I just was like, okay, yes, this is a no-brainer. Yes, I am gonna miss out on the haptic feedback. Yes, I'm also gonna miss out on the action button. And then yes, I'm also gonna miss out on the quieter clicks, even though I already have the 3S. When it comes to haptic feedback, it's cool, but a lot of programs are not yet ready for this. And it's gonna take definitely over a year before programs catch up to this. Maybe by that time, they're already releasing the MX5. And then when it comes to the action button, I'm not really missing out because I already do have a Stream Deck. And also on the MX Keys S, I could make certain buttons function almost the same way. So I'm not really missing out so much. Another big thing, which I think is where Logitech probably messed up, but they also did not mess up, is they made the action rings also accessible to the prior models. So that means I'm not gonna be missing out on much other than the haptic feedback and the action button. When it comes to the clicks, it is much quieter. And again, I already compared this in my last video. I compared what the clicks all sound like. It is a lot much quieter, but honestly, I don't mind hearing some clicks because once you got these headphones on, like the AirPods, and you got noise cancellation on, you're definitely not gonna hear anything, even with the 3S and even with the 3. So I feel like this is not really features that I'm missing out on when it comes to the haptic feedback and also the action button. So guys, honestly, this is a very fast and quick video. I'm just gonna stick with my 3S for now, just because of the grip. Yes, it gets dirty, but we'll just keep cleaning it. And honestly, it works. It works really, really well. And I've never had issues. Honestly, I really love this mouse and I don't see why I need to change it. Now, had they fixed the grip, 100%, I probably would have stuck with the MX4, but because of the grip, I am not gonna stick around with it. If you ended up upgrading to the MX4, let me know how it's been going for you in the comments below. And also, if you ended up just staying with your older version, let me know also in the comments below. If this is your first time, you don't have any other MX, which one did you end up going for after watching that video? I am really curious to know. But for me, I'm sticking with my MX Master 3S. Just in case you missed my last video comparing the MX Master 4, the 3, and the 3S, I'm gonna link it right here. So make sure to click that, watch that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.